Building a successful WordPress website is fantastic, but even the best sites can benefit from optimization. So today we're going to be exploring 10 ways that you can unlock valuable insights using Google Analytics, all while staying right inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, you don't have to worry about complex setups or trying to decipher complicated reports or learning a bunch of technical jargon. I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of Google Analytics for your WordPress site using MonsterInsights, which has plans to fit any budget. With just a few clicks, you can have all the data you need to create targeted marketing campaigns, attract new customers, and boost your site's impact. So let's get started. Ever wonder where your website's visitors are coming from? Well, you can find out if you set up Google Analytics. Now, whether it's through organic search, social media, or referrals, knowing your traffic sources is going to help you to fine-tune your marketing efforts. Now, to see that data, just click on the MonsterInsights Overview Report to see your top 10 referrals. Or you can just head over to the Traffic tab to get even more information and get insight into your website's performance for things like the channel, the sessions, engaged sessions, page sessions, purchases, conversion rate, and revenue. You can track what's hot and what's not by going to the Publishers tab. Now, once you're there, you can view your top landing page report and measure engagement metrics like the number of visits, average duration, and bounce rate. And to get an even better understanding of how people are interacting with your content, well, just go to the Pages report. And once you're there, you're going to see the page views, engaged sessions, new sessions, and bounce rate. And stick around, and when we get to point number 7, I'm going to show you how to dive even deeper. Conversions. Well, who wouldn't like to have more conversions? Well, you can easily set up conversion tracking in MonsterInsights and then go to the Traffic tab and then to the Campaigns report to view your campaign details like sessions, engaged sessions, page sessions, purchases, conversion rate, and revenue report. And if you have an e-commerce site, well, you can go to the e-commerce tab and see data like your conversion rate, number of transactions, revenue, and your average order value. Plus, you can see your top products, your top conversion sources, the total add to carts, total removed from cart, new customers, and abandoned checkouts. Now, with all that data, you can really focus on getting more conversions to boost your revenue. The elusive art of SEO with Google Analytics? Well, you can track search queries, analyze organic traffic, and keep an eye on those precious backlinks so you can climb higher in search results. MonsterInsights easily integrates with Google Search Console so you can see your top 50 search terms, clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and average position of your website in search results. Well, then you can just analyze those keywords that you're ranking for and their performance and identify areas where you need to improve. Mobile is king and Google knows it. You can track mobile traffic, squash those pesky mobile-specific issues, and make sure your site looks and feels fabulous on every kind of device. MonsterInsights makes that super easy for you. You can view the device breakdown on the Overview page, which shows you the percentage of visitors using desktop, tablet, and mobile. It gives you a quick glimpse into mobile traffic volume, and under the Traffic tab, you can use the Technology report to see a breakdown of the types of browsers and the devices that are being used. And you can use the Site Speed report to see how your site is loading on mobile. Your content is super important. But which content is really the best? Well, you can use the data in MonsterInsights to help you to track performance, identify popular topics, and uncover content gaps. Now, to do that, you can use the Publishers tab and scroll down to the Demographics report. Now, this is going to provide you with insight into your audience's demographics and their interests so you can analyze age and gender and top categories and interests to understand what topics are really resonating with your visitors. And like I said a moment ago, you can use the top landing pages and pages report to give you insights into what your audience really wants more of and look for potential content gaps. Understanding your audience is the key to serving up personalized content that just keeps your visitors coming back for more. Now, with MonsterInsights Dimensions report, you can track custom dimensions like logged in users, focus keywords, focus key phrase, popular authors, categories, user IDs, tags, publish time, and post type. And you can use that data to create content based on your user's experience and actions. And you can use the Forms report to get an even deeper understanding so you can really tailor your communication and what you're offering based on the interactions that you have with your users. Okay, here's what I was talking about in point number 2, understanding user behavior. Now, if you really want to go deeper, just click on the user journey, and you can see the user journey report that shows you not just individual page visits, but the entire user journey, providing you with valuable insight into your users' behavior and potential areas where you can improve your website. Is your social media game on point? Well, Google is going to spill the tea on your social media traffic. It's going to evaluate your performance, going to help you to optimize those share-worthy posts that you create. And you can see all of that by just clicking on the traffic tab and then on social to see what network your traffic is coming from and the most important details. Nobody has time for broken links and slow-loading websites. Google Analytics monitors your speed, so fixing those broken links and squashing those pesky page errors is really important. While Monster Insights itself doesn't have a dedicated report to identify broken links, the Broken Link Checker by All-in-One SEO makes it easy to find, fix, and monitor both your internal and external links so you can see and fix them without leaving your WordPress site. The digital landscape is always changing, but Monster Insights can help you to stay one step ahead of the game when it comes to Google Analytics. Remember, Monster Insights is your trusty sidekick when it comes to analytics, and we're always here to help you make data-driven decisions and unlock the full potential of your WordPress site. Now, at the beginning of this video, I talked about setting up Google Analytics for WordPress. Well, that can be a little intimidating, especially if you're a beginner, but there's a really easy way to do that. So be sure to check out this deep dive where I show you step-by-step how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress.